Hi guys, it's Dr. Marissa with Sports Performance Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to show you 2 stretches that you can use for plantar fasciitis and 2 strengthening moves that you can use to help strengthen the bottom of the foot and the calf to help with plantar fasciitis. So, the 2 things that we want to be stretching for plantar fasciitis are 1, the plantar fascia, and 2, the calves or the soleus even. And I'm sure you've been stretching your calves, but I'm not sure if you've been stretching your soleus. So, the very first one is going to be the plantar fascia. And the way that you can stretch the plantar fascia is by pulling your foot up and grabbing onto your big toe and pulling that down. A lot of the times people with plantar fasciitis only have about this much mobility in their big toe, and you see this big pull in through here. But what you want to do is stretch that, and you can do that for about 10 seconds, and you can go through around 10 rounds of 10 seconds for that. You can see there's my plantar fascia right there being tensioned right here with this stretch. Okay, so that's the first stretch. Second stretch is going to be for the soleus, which is the muscle that's on the side of your calf. What you're going to do is come up onto a step, and while this would be your normal calf stretch, if we bend the knee a little bit, then we're stretching the soleus. So try to accumulate about 90 seconds of this stretch here, and that might help a little bit with that plantar fasciitis pain. So you have your 2 stretching exercises. Now we have our 2 strengthening exercises. The very first one that we're going to strengthen is going to be for the plantar fascia. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your plantar fascia on stretch for this strengthening exercise. So I like to use a towel here. Put my toes up on the towel so that we're already stretching underneath in the plantar fascia. And from here, I'm going to do heel raises with my toes in that stretched position. This might be a little bit uncomfortable on the bottom of the foot, but we're okay if it's just a small bit uncomfortable. That's a good thing. That's how you know you're working the actual plantar fascia. The second exercise is just going to be a strengthening exercise for your calves, which is easy enough to do. It's just going to be heel raises up on a step. So, try out those strengthening exercises, try out those stretching exercises, and you want to keep your pain mild. We don't want any moderate to severe pain with any of this, but those should help strengthen up some of the structures involved in plantar fasciitis.